Hello guys, this is Krishna and today I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapter 3 Core of Vit-Ap University. And today we'll look at a Python topic which is like very important topic, that is data types in Python. So few of the data types in Python are lists, tuples, dictionaries, and there are many more, and these are some basic. These are very basic data types. There are more arrays and all, but these are the basic concept of this is the basic concept of Python. So today let's take a look at an example. Like it will be a very simple example, and I hope you all will be able to do it. So first of all, let's define a variable. Let's say it a, and let's just assign any string to a. For example, let's do it CSI Vit-Ap. Okay, and let's add, let b be equal to a list. So basic format of list is we have the square bracket, and inside it we have to add some elements of the list. So let's add some integers. These are some integers which are stored in the list. So what happens in a list is there is indexing of list. I hope you all know about that, but just let me clear it out. In a list, every element is given its unique position. Not only in list, in tuples and dictionary also, every element is given its own particular position. In this list, for example, in B, 4 has index which is equal to 0, and 5 has index equal to 1, and 6 has index equal to 2. So the total elements in this list are 3, and the index starts from 0 and goes up to 2. It happens like this. Index always starts from 0. First element will be indexed 0, next one, and then 2, and it's so on and so on. So it is very simple. It happens in tuples also, and it happens in dictionaries also. And let's define C is equal to, and what if we add let's define a tuple and add two elements which are a and b in this tuple, a comma b. So just for sake of convenience and sake of understanding, let's try to print out C. Let's connect it to kernel of Python. Okay, so it is the 0th index of this tuple, which is C, is CSI Vit-Ap, and the element at index 1 will be B, which is a list we defined over here. So the index of CSI Vit-Ap will be 0, and the index of the list will be 1. There are only two elements in the list. Before moving forward, I request you all to just like this video. It gives us motivation to make content like this. So okay, let's go more further, and let me just comment it out. And the next line, let's do something with this tuple, which is C. Okay, so let's print out here. It is the first element of the tuple, not first element, second element of the tuple, at which has index 1. So it is the list, and in this list, let's print out some element of this list. Before coming to this question, let me just explain you a little more, because it won't be clear if I don't come to this point. If you want to print some element of B, how can you do it? So there is index, there is a certain syntax. I hope you already know it, but I'm just clearing it out because I need to see everyone gets what I'm trying to convey them. Okay, so if I wanna print certain element of B, so its syntax goes like this. So print, and here B is our list. So we have written B, name of our list, which is B. Okay, and now here we have to write the index of element which we wanna print. Okay, here are 3 elements in the list which are 4, 5 and 6. Hope, just imagine I wanna print 5. So what should I do is, index of 5 is 1, so I'll write 1 and look at the result. 5 gets printed. It's very simple, very basic. Okay, let me change this list to like, let's add some strings also in this list. Let's add some integers also, like 37, 94. And let's add one more. Let's say it B. Okay, so let me just comment it out and let's come to this one. So what if I run this code? What should be the output? Scratch your head, take your time. You have 5 seconds to just pause the video, comment your answer in the comment section, and we'll take a look at it. Your time starts now. Okay, so let's take a look at the result. What should be the output? It is 87, 94, C. How is our code working? Let's take a look at it. How is our code working? Here, C of 1. For the sake of understanding, let me print out C also. Okay, so here we are defining C of 1, which is this list. Okay, so we are selecting a list which is at the first index of tuple C, and in the list, this is our list. We have selected our list, and in our list we have to print certain elements like we did over here. So what are we doing? Within the list we are printing from 1, and if we leave this thing empty, this position empty, it just prints till the last element of the list. It happens like this, and here we have selected the list, and from this list we are printing from elements from index 1 up to the last element of the list, which is B. So here our output should be element at index 1, comma element at index 2, and comma element at index 3, and up to last element. So here element at index 1 is 87, it gets printed. At index 2 it is 94, it also gets printed, and element at last index is B, and B is also printed. So it is very simple problem. I hope you understood it, and if you still have any doubt, rewind the video, post your questions in the comment section. We'll take a look at it and we'll try to answer all of your doubts. Till then, bye bye, see you guys in our next video. Thank you.